start the class. Very good morning to all of you. Going to just start the class. There is a doubt based on to the last class. I'm going to discuss about. Okay, just see on the board, everyone. Here there is a question: x minus 2 power 4 into x minus 3 whole upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 power 6 less than or equals to 0. This one. And you know very well that to solve such type of questions, what we have to see? First of all, we have to just see the coefficient of higher power of x in the bracket should be positive. It is over here, and in right side must be 0. It's okay. Always be careful about the minute, small mistakes, everyone, because if you make any mistake anywhere, overall answer is going to be changed. So that's why be careful when solving the questions. Okay. In mathematics, the knowing the concept is not enough. It is very important that you have to solve. You have to just apply the all concept very carefully and very rightly, very correctly. Okay. So always be careful about it. Not concentrated about only solving the question. You have to just concentrate about also what are the small mistakes or the mistakes just going to be happen. Okay. So just be careful about it. And after that, you have to make the solution. And just make a patience. You have to solve the question patiently. Okay. So going to solve the question, everyone just see onto the board. Okay, everyone. So this one question, x minus 2 power 4 into x minus 3 upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 power 6 less than or equals to 0. Okay, everyone. So we have to just put first of all numerator is equals to 0. This one. When you put numerator equals to 0, what we get beta? X minus 2 power 4 into x minus 3 equals to 0. This one. After that, what we get beta? We get x minus 2 power 4 is equals to 0. Now this power is what? Even. Okay, one. So the solution obtained from this will be the isolated solution. Isolated solution. You have to just write. Okay? To avoid the mistake. This is an isolated solution. Okay, one. And after that, what we have to write? X minus 3 is equals to 0. X equals to 3. Here the factor have the odd powers. So this is the simple solution. It means normal solution. Okay. So this is the solution obtained from the numerator. Now what we have to do? We have to just put denominator equals to 0 also. Okay. When I put denominator equals to 0, what we get beta? Here the denominator is what? X plus 1 into x plus 2 to the power 6 is equals to 0. This one. So we get from here now, we get from here x plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to minus 1 simply. Okay. And after that, we have to just make x plus 2 to the power 6 is equals to 0. Now this is an even power. So we get the solution like x plus 2 equals to 0. So value of x equals to minus 2. This one. Now this is an isolated solution. Why isolated solution? Because the factor have the even power. So simply, first of all, we have to make the numerator and denominator 0. As we know very well that how to be made and how to be solved. And after that, we get the value of x and the all values of x which are obtained from the factor having even power are the isolated solution, and all other solution obtained from the even odd power factors will known as the normal solution. Simple thing. Okay. And after that, what we have to do? We have to just put the all solution onto the number line now. So just write down everyone onto your copy. I am going to just put the all solution onto the number line. You just see the last step of the baby curve. We have to put the all solution onto the number line. Here the smaller solution is minus 2. We have to write over here. And also mention that this is isolated solution obtained from denominator. This one. Simple. After that, what we have to write? Minus 1. This is normal solution but obtained from denominator. So we have to apply the open interval over here. So we have to make the circle over here. After that, we have to just put 2. Okay, 2 is an isolated solution. We have to just write 10 from numerator. Normally, we have to just put normally. After that, we have to just put 3. This is normal solution because obtained from the factor having odd power. Simple. And after that, what we have to do? Just see onto the board, everyone. I think you had write all these things. Okay, good. Now I'm going to just talk about how to write the solution. Okay, one. So just see, and very interesting topic is this one. Going to be discussed in front of you. Now I'm going to just stop this one. Okay, just see. We have to just start baby curve from the right to rightmost solution. It is from here. Baby curve must be passed through it. This is normal solution, so going to be below also. But here it is isolated solution. And on isolated solution, the position of baby curve before this solution and after this solution is same. It means they are only changing to the position of baby curve. So it means below. After that, this is normal solution, so it will pass through above. And after that, this is again isolated solution. So it is not going to be below. It means not changing the direction. So we get the desired baby curve like this now. And in the question, what was there? Lesser sign is there. So we have to take the portion below to number line. This only. So we have to just write the solution now. -1. Here the open interval. Inequality. With equality is there. So that's why we have to put the closed interval at all solution in numerator. Okay, one. So we have to apply the closed interval. After that, what we have to use? Union. One more solution is there. 2, 2, 3. This one. Simply. So we have to apply the. By this we get the desired solution of the equation. Simply. So this is the method to solve such type of question when the factor have the even power. And very important, always be careful about such type of question when you are going to just solve the questions. Okay, everyone. So based on it, when the factor have the even power. So just write down onto your copy, everyone. The next question based on it. And today I will provide some question as the worksheet. Okay, onto the Google Classroom. You have to solve these questions also at your home. So just see the next question, everyone. We're going to just solve based on it. Write on it 2x minus 1 x plus 3 to the power 100 1 upon x square minus 13x plus 36 into x minus 2 to the power 101 greater than or equal to 0. This one, just see, everyone. We want to solve this question now. Now what we have to write over here first of all? First of all, we have to just see coefficient of higher power of x always is positive. Very good. In right side, it is 0. So now we have to just put numerator equals to 0 as well as denominator equals to 0. So just see, when you put numerator equals to 0, easily, when you put numerator equals to 0, what we get? 2x minus 1 in bracket into x plus 3 to the power 100 is equals to 0. This one. So we have to just write now 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So we get from here x is equals to what? Half. This one. And after that, what we get? The x plus 3 power 100 is equals to 0. Now this is even power. So the solution corresponding to this factor will be known as the isolated solution. So we have to just write over here to recognize it. Okay, it is an isolated solution. Now what we have to do? We have to just put the denominator equals to 0 easily. When you put denominator equals to 0, what we get? We get x square minus 13x plus 36 into x minus 2 for 101 is equals to 0. This one. So this implies that x square minus 13x plus 36 equals to 0. First thing. And second thing is what? X minus 2 for 101 is equals to 0. This one. So now we have to just make the factorization because this is a quadratic equation. So we get x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 36 equals to 0. This one, beta. So we have to just make the factor now. So we get x minus 9 into x minus 4 equals to 0. This implies that x minus 9 is 0. So x equals to 9. And x minus 4 is 0. So x equals to what? 4. Simply. And after that, we have to just put this one equals to 0. So we get x minus 2 is 0. Now this power is odd. If this power is odd, then what does it mean? The solution corresponding to this is a normal solution. It means where we go done as usual. Okay. But here at minus 3, it is an isolated solution. Here the direction of the curve does not change. So just write down on your copy, everyone. So this one question is also important. And I think you can easily understand it. How to be solved. Okay. Just write down onto your copy, everyone. First of all, we have to put the numerator equals to 0. After putting numerator equals to 0, we have to just get this one. After solving and writing this one, power is even. So that's why solution corresponding to this is isolated solution. We have to just mark it, okay? And after that, we have to just put denominator equals to 0 and solve the factors by putting the zeros. This is quadratic. So we have to just make the factorization if possible. After making the factorization, we have to just find the solution 914. And after that, we have to make the next factor 0, which is equals to what? X minus 2 1 power 101 equals to 0. This is an odd power. At odd power, there are no any change into the baby curve. It means usually, as we draw, we have to just draw the baby curve. So we get the value of x equals to 2, everyone. So just write down it. Type 2 inequality is this one. And such type questions are important. And now you can solve this type of questions based on the type 1 inequality and type 2 inequality. I know very well it. Okay, concentrate. We're going to just talk about the next concept. Write down your copy. Write down your copy, everyone. The next concept: simultaneous solution of two inequalities. Write down simultaneous solution of two inequalities. Write down. Till now, we had just solved the single inequality. Single inequality was there, and we can easily solve either of type 1, either of type 2. Now, it may be possible that the inequality, there are more than one inequality is given and asking for the simultaneous solution. Meaning of the simultaneous solution is the all solution which satisfying the both given inequalities. It means the given set of inequalities को जो solution satisfy करेंगे, that will known as the simultaneous solution. Okay. Then how do you find the simultaneous solution? I'm going to just talk about that. Okay, just write down, everyone. So write down heading simultaneous solution of inequality. Simultaneous solution of inequality. This one, write down. The meaning of the simultaneous solution is the solution which satisfies the given set of inequalities. Okay. How do you find? Just see onto the board. I'm going to just explain. Let me want to solve this inequality. X minus 2 greater than or equals to 0. Very simple. And x minus 3 less than or equals to 0. Simultaneously. If anyone asking that, find the solution of simultaneous solution of inequalities x minus 2 greater than or equals to 0 and x minus 3 less than or equals to 0. This one. So till now we had to solve the inequality individually. Now we are going to solve the simultaneous inequality with each other to get the simultaneous solution. How do we get? We have to just solve the simple step. We have to solve inequalities individually right now. We have to solve inequalities individually. Inequalities individually. So first of all, we have to just solve the inequalities individually. So simple. And after that, in the second step, take the common solution. Take the common solution in both. In both, we get simultaneous solution. We get simultaneous solution. Simultaneous solution. This is the simple two-step to find the simultaneous solution of any two given inequalities, and this is very important. Okay, one, so just write down onto your copy. So we want to solve the find the simultaneous solution of these two inequalities, and for this first step we have to just solve inequalities individually. First of all, we have to solve this inequality and this inequality, and after that we have to take second step, take the common solution in both solution to get the simultaneous solution. After that, we have to take the common solution. How? I am going to just explain you. Okay, just see onto the board and concentrate it onto the board, everyone, and write down these notes. Okay, everyone, just see how do we solve such type of questions. Okay, so first of all, we have to solve the questions individually. It means inequality individually over here. So first one inequality is x minus 2 greater than or equals to 0. This one, beta. How do we solve it? You know very well that we have to just put left hand side equals to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0 and x equals to 2. So easy now. So this is going to be 2. We have to draw the baby curve. Which one portion is required? About to the number line. So we get the solution from here 2 to infinity. This is the solution from first inequality. You can say. And after that, we have to solve the second inequality, which is x minus 3 less than or equals to 0. This one, beta. How do we solve? We know very well that how do we solve? We have to put left hand side equals to 0. So you have to just write x minus 3 0. So x equals to 3. Now put onto the number line and draw the wave equation like this. Which one portion is required? Below to number line. So we get the solution from minus infinity to 3 close interval and here open interval. But so simple. So first of all, we have to just solve the inequalities individually. It means first inequality as we solve, and we know very well that how do we solve, and second inequality also. Okay. By this way we get the solution from first inequality this one and from second inequality this one. Now just write down. After that, we have to just take the common solution. Now just see everyone and be attentive. Okay, how to get the common solution. So I'm going to just take the common solution, which is the required simultaneous solution of inequality of everyone. So just write down. Second step is what? To take the common solution. How we get the common solution? Just see onto the board. Very simple step. We have to put the all solution. It means all x onto the same number line. Very careful. We have to put all solution. It means x equals to 2 and x equals to 3 onto the same number line. This one. According to the first solution, what is 2 to infinity? Just see. We have to draw a single line for this solution, first one solution, and after that we have to draw the other line from the second solution. What is the second solution? Minus infinity to what we draw? 3. So we have to just draw minus infinity to 3 a line. Just see now. So this was the number line on which we have to put the all values of x obtained from first and second onto the same. It means common number line. And after that, we have to write the first solution. It means solution of first inequality. This is the solution of first inequality by the line, and this is the solution of second inequality minus infinity to another line. It means from the black color. Okay. Now after that, just see the portion common is these two line. In दोनों portion में common line क्या है? Common portion क्या है? यही तो है. So this is the required common solution, and this is from 2 to 3. This one. So this is the required answer of the given simultaneous solution of these two inequalities. Okay, one. So just write down. We have to just solve first one. How? Left hand side equals to 0. So we get x equals to what? 1 by 2. After putting solution onto the number line and drawing wavy curve individually, we have to take the portion below to number line. So minus infinity to half will be the required solution. Close interval is over here. Easily. After that, we have to solve the second inequality, and the second inequality is what? X square minus 3 less than or equals to 0. This one beta. So we have to just put the left hand side 0 now. So we get x square minus 1 0. So this implies that x square is 1. So x equals to what? Plus minus 1. This 2. After that, we have to put the solution minus 1 and plus 1 onto the number line and draw the wavy curve. This one. Which one portion is required? Below to number line. Lesser sign is here. This one. It means minus 1 to plus 1. Simple. So by this way, we have to solve the individually inequalities, given inequalities. First of all, just write down. The first inequality has the solution, this one, and the second inequality has the solution, this one now. Now after that, we have to take the common solution, everyone. So just write down common solution. How do we take the common? अभी बताया था कि जितने भी x की वैल्यूज आए हुए हैं दोनों को मिला करके we have to put onto the number line. When you put minus 1, we get half, and then what we get? 1. Simple. Okay. And after that, we have to draw the lines from the different color or the different line, you can say, for the solutions. The first solution is minus infinity to half. Minus infinity to half, we have to just make a line. This one. And after that, what we have to just minus 1 to 1. So one line from minus 1 to 1. This one. Just see. Now, in both line, the common portion is what? This one. It is clear now. So, and this portion onto the number line is represented as minus 1 to half. And on minus 1 close, half also close. So we get answer minus 1 to half. This is the required solution of such type of inequalities. Okay, everyone? Just write down onto your copy. Yes, Apurv Srivastava. class. Thank you so much. Okay, everyone. We'll meet on the next class, and I'll provide some worksheet based on to the today class, and we have to solve at your home. Okay. Keep learning. Keep enjoying the classes. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.